skills on the piano and in songwriting. A lot of comedy songs, funny songs, but quite satirical, some of them, harsh songs as well. That's the package that first came on the scene, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. It wasn't as intended or as designed as it might have looked. It kind of emerged. And because I was doing lots of different things, it was just the thing that people started liking. I called it cabaret, and quite quickly learned that calling things cabaret didn't sell tickets. So I started calling it comedy, and people started laughing. And I kind of, in a sort of Darwinian sense, the funny stuff survived.
Yeah.
And yeah, the kind of more polemical, pointed stuff survived, and the dissection of religious hypocrisy and the sort of rants about science, they kind of rose up. And I really enjoyed it. And I'm incredibly blessed to have played amazing venues and all that sort of thing. But I never really self-ID'd as a comedian. And I always knew that there was a lot of writing that wasn't being heard, and a lot of sort of elements of how I think about the world that wasn't getting into my shows. So I've been very lucky because I've been able to indulge them as well.
But writing Matilda the musical and the huge success that brought, did that open up whole new frontiers?
Yeah, it did. It did a couple of things. One, it gave me some security